Hi again, my dear friends. I'm Thelma, your guide on this magical journey through healthy eating. Last time, we learned all about building balanced meals. Today, we're going on a special quest to discover the secrets of healthy snacks. Snacks give you the fuel to keep going on your adventures, but to stay strong, we need to choose snacks that give our bodies the right magic energy. Are you ready to unlock the power of the perfect snack? Let's begin. Okay, here's where the magic comes in. A healthy snack has a special formula: carbohydrates for quick energy, and at least one other macronutrient like protein or healthy fats. Together, they make a superpower snack that keeps you full, focused, and ready for anything. Let's break it down! The two magic ingredients you need for a healthy snack are carbohydrates, which give you fast energy, and proteins or healthy fats, which help you stay full and strong. Here's how the magic works. The carbohydrates are your body's energy boosters. Foods like fruits and whole grains are full of carbs that fuel your body and mind. Proteins are your body's builders, helping to repair and grow muscles. Foods like yogurt, cheese, and eggs are great sources of protein. Healthy fats are your body's protectors, helping you feel full and absorb all the important vitamins your body needs. You'll find healthy fats in nuts, olive oil, and avocados. Now, let's use this magic formula to create some super snacks that will keep you feeling awesome all day. Banana with peanut butter. The banana gives you carbs for energy, and the peanut butter provides healthy fats and some protein to keep you full. It's a snack magic. Yogurt with berries and almonds. Yogurt gives you protein, almonds add healthy fats, and berries boost your carbs. A snack fit for a superhero. Whole grain crackers with cheese. The crackers give you carbs for energy, and the cheese provides protein and fat, a power-packed combo. Not all snacks have the same magic power. Snacks like cookies, candy, and soda might taste sweet, but they don't have the lasting energy your body needs for adventures. They give you a quick sugar boost, but then the energy fades away, like a spell that wears off too quickly. It's okay to enjoy them sometimes, but if you want to stay strong and energized, save these for special occasions. Now that we've unlocked the magic of healthy snacks, let's talk about some everyday eating habits that will keep you feeling your best. Eat slowly and enjoy your food. It helps your brain know when you're full. Try to include different food groups in every snack or meal. Listen to your body. Eat when you're hungry and stop when you're full. Don't skip meals, especially breakfast, which gives you energy to start your day like a superhero. Let's go over what we've learned today. A healthy snack has carbs for energy and proteins or healthy fats to keep you full. Together, they make the perfect magic snack. Avoid snacks that are high in sugar. They don't give your body the fuel it needs to stay strong. And always remember, healthy eating habits like eating slowly and listening to your body are just as important as what you eat. Thanks for joining me on this magical snack adventure. Now that you know the secret formula for healthy snacks, you can make your own Power Pack combos at home. Don't forget to share your snack ideas with your family and friends and practice your healthy eating habits every day. Next time, we'll talk about something just as important: hydration. See you in the next video.